How to share YouTube link on Instagram story on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Instagram application on your phone. You are now in the Instagram homepage. Here, you can explore and view posts from friends and pages that you follow on Instagram. On this page, tap on your story at the top left corner. From here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll to add to your story. Select the photo that you like. Then, tap on the sticker icon at the top. Here, tap on link as shown. Now, type in or paste the URL of the YouTube page you want to add. After that, tap on Done. Place the link sticker anywhere you like. And then, tap on your story below. You have now successfully shared this story on Instagram. Following these steps, you can easily share YouTube link on Instagram story on iPhone.